Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. Creator Soup, and today's topic is digital de-addiction. So we are going to learn about the digital de-addiction, like how we should smartly use all the digital gadgets. So you all will understand about it. The name of the program is Digital Health and Wellness Curriculum for New Age Citizens, Digital De-Addiction. In this program, we will learn how to use all digital devices smartly. And if you are not using that smartly, so you will have to suffer with the addiction problem. Yes, you heard correctly, addiction. Most of the people are actually addicted digitally nowadays with these digital addiction. So what all these things we will understand in this video. If you will addicted of all these problems like digital addiction, so we will have to suffer with so many problems. It will leads us to so many problems. So let's see, gadget addiction leads to first thing, obesity. What is obesity? Putting on weight and lethargy is the most common symptom. Like most of the people are having habit of watching TV while eating. So what is the result? After some time, they put on a lot of weight and they have to suffer with the problem, obesity. The another problem is lack of concentration. The people who uses mobile phone, TV, laptop, and any other digital gadget, they have to suffer with lack of concentration. It shows like studies, games, or even listening to voices around is affected. Most of the people, like children, you have observed when they are using mobile phone or any, they are watching TV. So at that time, they do not want to study. They are busy in games, playing games that much that they don't listen to their father, mother. So this is the another symptom of digital addiction. And most of the people are addicted. Not only it is about the children, but also the adult are addicted. And the most important thing is what they themselves only not aware about that they are addicted. They do not accept it also. But real thing is what children, actually we all are addicted of these gadgets. So we will discuss more about it. But first see the symptoms. What are the problems we will have to suffer with while we are addicted with these digital devices? Next thing is aggression. This is another symptom. Children, let's understand with an example. You have seen like when your younger brother or your younger sister are there at your home, in beginning what happens? Your parents used to give them mobile phone to watch. If they do not eat, so at that time they give mobile phone and they used to say, okay, watch and then eat. So after some time, how it is badly affect the child? That when they do not get mobile phone, then they show the aggression. They become angry, they shout, they used to throw things. So this is the another symptom of digital addiction, getting angry often, unacceptability of anything but for what their demand is. They always want mobile phone and mobile phone. Next symptom is depression. This is one of the dangerous symptoms, children. Like if you are very fond of mobile phone and you are not getting it, so after some time you feel depressed. How? Your irritated behavior due to not getting mobile phone, conflicts with sibling, that father or mother has given your elder brother mobile but you are not getting it. Loneliness, feeling of being left out may lead to depression. Like sometimes when you are not playing, you don't have mobile, you also forgot to play with your friends, like because you have lost the habit of playing with your friends. So you feel depression. So see how dangerous it is. Next symptom is a disturbed routine. Children, digital addiction also leads it to a disturbed routine. Because how? When you watch TV, play with mobile for long times till late night or late mornings. So what happens? You wake up late in the morning, then you would not be able to go to school on time. You would not be able to complete your homework. That will create lots of problems. A report also reveals that people don't even realize that their children are addicted to internet and gadgets. Yes, children, this is true. Most of the people, as I have already told, are not aware that their children and themselves also are addicted. How can it be said? Like I can prove it. Most of the people are having habit of checking their mobile phone repeatedly at different intervals. Yes or no? Yes. So this is how you can say that most of the people are actually addicted now. Another symptom or another problem due to the addiction of mobile phone or gadgets, children, you have seen most of the people, or while traveling from your school to home or home to school, you can see that some people while driving, they are using headphone or earphone. So what is the problem with this? So much problem with this. What is that? Like earplug while driving two-wheelers, mobile phone uses while driving four-wheelers are reason for most of the accidents happening nowadays. It cause because their attention is there in their mobile phone, in listening music, in playing games. So they do not concentrate towards what they are doing. Even they are walking or driving, they all are busy in only playing with mobile or the gadgets. So it also may leads to an accident. So see children how dangerous it is. So this is all about the addiction that we people are addicted. Now children, we will discuss about how to overcome from this problem. So see, there are certain rules that if you will follow, so you can overcome from this situation. Let's discuss about that. How can children not get addicted to gadgets? This is very important point, children. You should pay attention now. First thing, limit the use of TV, computers, and mobile devices to a maximum of 30 minutes at a time. Why I'm saying this? Because gradually when you are having the habit of using these devices minimally, so you will not be addicted anymore. Okay. So you can see all the devices. Now next thing, pursue a hobby religiously. It may bring you great name and fame like reading, writing, singing, dancing, etc. Okay, children? If you have free time, you want to do something. So instead of playing mobile phone, you can pursue some hobby like reading, writing, singing, dancing, sports. It will add a great name and fame in yourself. And you would also learn a new skill. Yes or no? Now next one, schedule an appropriate time for using the devices and plan some fun physical activities or reading, drawing for you to engage in at other times. As I have already said, children, if you have free time, so instead of playing, you can schedule appropriate time for using the devices like half an hour in the evening or half an hour in the morning. Okay. If you do so, so you can overcome from this situation. And still, if you are having time after completed, as you have completed your school work, so you can plan some fun physical activities, like you can play with your friends, your parents, you can read some good books. Okay, you can learn the skills of drawing and coloring, singing, dancing. Okay, to engage yourself. Another thing, children, very important, and it is not only for you but for your parents too. Refrain from putting TV and electronic gadgets in your bedroom, and put away such devices after use. Like if you are not keeping all these gadgets in your room, so you would not be able to get it again and again. Because sometimes it has been seen that when it has all the devices has been kept in the room, bedroom, or somewhere where you are there, so whenever nobody is watching you or nobody is saying you, you do what? You just take it and start playing with it. So refrain from putting all these things in your bedroom and put away such things after use. How can children not get addicted to gadgets? One more thing, children. Observe take free time, such as during meals, homework, and bedtime. In addition, you can designate take free zones as in the bedroom, dining area, and in the car. Like you can create some rules, golden rules for your home also. Like tell your parents not to use mobile phone while eating at the dining table, while doing homework, okay, or at the bedtime. While you are going to sleep, don't use mobile. And also create tech-free zones, as in the bedroom, dining area, in the car. Like while driving car, nobody use mobile, so it will not cause any accident. So all these small steps, when you will take up, then only you can overcome from this situation. Understand importance of moderation, children. Nothing is excess is good in life. Like, okay, it is okay to use mobile phone. I know that's the need of today's life. But if you are using it in excessive manner, then it will be harmful for you. Okay, because nothing in excess is good in life. Make time and opportunity to communicate, interact, and share family values. Children, this is one of the most important thing, children. What is actually missed out in today's world? Family values. Most of the children are busy all the time in playing with mobile. But children, if you really just follow once and then see the magiculous result. When you share some times with your parents, grandparents, and they share family values, you will really learn the real meaning of life. You will learn the social values that will actually help you to improve yourself. So children, this is over here. We have learned so many things. By following all these rules, you can overcome from this situation. Thank you so much for watching this. We will meet in next video.